Alright, so today we're going to be working with fractions. So we're going to look at my slices of pizza. I went to the pizzeria and I saw pizza. I saw cheese pizza, pizza with vegetables, pizza with pepperoni, which is the one that I picked here, and plain cheese pizza. And these are my slices of pizza. But let's go on, find out. I did see different slices of pizza, but I wondered what part of pizza I wanted to have. Did I want 1/2 of a pizza or 1/3? And let's take a look at it. 1/2 would be the full pizza, and we're going to take it and cut it right across. And I would have about 1/2 of that pizza. Or would I want 1/3? And 1/3, looking back at it, is one part of that pizza. It's a little less than 1/2 because it's only 1/3. Or maybe I wanted 1/4 of the pizza. And 1/4 looks just like that. It's about one slice. It's cut into 4s. And I would only have one little corner piece. I don't think that would be very filling. But let's find out what I ended up picking.
Maybe 1/4. Finally, I decided to eat.
Let's find out what I decided to eat. 1/4, because Miss Crystal had earlier lunch. So I wasn't that hungry. So I had 1/4 of that pizza.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff. Liftoff. 30 minutes after the hour.
Great job. So let's look back and review. We talked about Miss Crystal going to the pizza place. We saw different kinds of pizza. We saw 1/4 of a pizza. We saw 1/2, a whole half of a pizza. And we even saw a whole pizza. And those are all shaded in. But Miss Crystal decided to only have 1/4. This is 1/4 of the pizza. Great job, guys.